Hey guys, Tom here from Back Garden Bushcraft. I'm back in Webwood and today I've just come to relax with Dad. We're going to have some food, we're going to have a campfire and just enjoy the day. It's nearly the end of the summer for me. I'll be back at work soon, so just really trying to make the most of my time outdoors. So yeah, we're going to go set up a little day camp. Dad's behind the camera for this video. And yeah, I do hope you'll enjoy it. It should be good fun. Just nice and chilled, nice and relaxed. And yeah, cooking up some good food in the woods. All right guys, bring you back in a sec. So guys, this is just a Miltech poncho that I've set up in a tarp configuration for today. I normally carry this when I'm out for the day or walking or hiking, and I want to have sort of an emergency shelter or a backup tarp for if the weather turns. They're really useful bits of kit and they're very rugged. Right guys, so I've got a ProCam Tex fast fire stick here. I've got my Wander Tactical. I'm just going to shave a little bit of this off, increase the surface area, drop a spark in. I haven't really carefully selected my twigs. I mean, I've got my 3 stages of kindling, but it's all off the wet ground and it rained yesterday. So everything's pretty damp. Be a nice little test of this. And yeah, I'm starting to get hungry, so it'd be nice to get a fire going. I can cook some lunch and just enjoy the rest of the day here. Right, let's get on this. See how good this firelighter is. Let's just chuck stuff on, not worry about it, see if that goes. Well, you can see how wet it's been, but that core of that fire is very, very hot, and I could add oxygen to it, keep it going, but it's definitely going to catch. There's a lot of heat there, and yeah, without me having to worry, I just literally chucked on an entire metric ton of fuel without worrying about grading it, without worrying about moisture content, without worrying about the fact I picked it off the floor and it's still burning. So I think that's pretty good. If you're tired, had a long day, you need a fire, you need to warm up, this is the sort of thing that is worth having in your equipment. So as you can see, Fire is going really well now. I haven't done anything to it. I've literally just sat and watched it, and it is just going. That firelighter did the work. Okay. So I've just got some pasta on. We're going to make a red sauce pasta. It's got some chopped tomatoes, some vegetables. We've got some bacon lardons. Should be good.
They look good.
So we've just been making our lunch, and it's got me thinking. Do you reckon they named the day of the week Friday because it was the day they fried their lunch?
I don't think so, Tom.
And if you get that, I respect you.
A little tiny bit of water, I think. Bang on. Don't think so, Tom.
It's tool time. I mean lunchtime. Yeah, the pasta is ideal. Let's get munching. Okay guys, so lunch is served. I've got a red sauce pasta with bacon lardons, red onion, garlic, parsley, chili. What else do we put in there? Loads of stuff. Courgettes. Yeah, it smells amazing, smells divine. And we've got a little bit of toasted garlic bread that we've just chucked on the embers as well. So yeah, I'm just going to enjoy this. I'll share my first bite with you. As per usual, eating well in the woods. We've done a good job there, Dad. I think it's time you put the camera down and get yourself some lunch. Well guys, I've had a lovely day. That was an absolutely delicious lunch. I'm now just enjoying a bowl of tobacco in my pipe. We've had a great time. I hope you've enjoyed sort of coming along with us while we've just cooked up a little lunch and had a day camp here in the woods. It's lovely to be under the trees. We're going to stay here for another hour or so, just really enjoy being outside. And yeah, plenty more videos coming soon, so stay tuned to my channel, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.